Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gracie. Today I'm going to show you my version of cooking Fukein Chinese fried rice. I got interested into knowing how to cook this recipe because it's my husband's favorite food. Every time, everywhere we go, he is looking for a Chinese restaurant that makes Fukein fried rice. We tried different restaurants that make this recipe and different style, so I make my own, and here you go. So first I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So garlic, green onions, and of course I have to make the regular fried rice with eggs, and then the toppings is shrimps, and I have mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and pork. And I use either you can use asparagus or Chinese broccoli, and the last one is scallops. So this one is the scallops, and then I also need a 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I will be right back. Okay, so there's 2 steps that we have to make. First is I will cook the fried rice. It's just the same as cooking regular fried rice. Put the egg there. It's like a scrambled egg. And then I will add the rice. Okay. So I see. Okay, and then I will put this aside, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the toppings. Okay, welcome back. So the next step, I will make the toppings. So I will add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I will add the garlic. So the garlic, I cut it very tiny. Garlic, and this is the pork. So the pork, I put a little bit of cornstarch. I want to make sure the pork I slice it very thin, and it is lean meat, lean pork. And then I'm going to add the mushroom, shiitake mushroom. And then the scallops. And then cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to season it with soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And a pinch of garlic salt. And also a pinch of black pepper. And a teaspoon of oyster sauce, just a teaspoon. And I will add this chicken stock here, just one can of chicken stock. Okay, and simmer this for another like 2 minutes, medium heat. Okay. And so just to taste it, and then you put the cornstarch at the very end, just to make sure the it's really good. So the taste, the combination of the pork and the shrimp. So there you go. That is Fukein Chinese fried rice topping. So the fried rice that I cooked earlier, and let's just serve it with this. With the sauce. It's Fukein Chinese fried rice by CUISINE. Thank you. So it's time to taste this. So you put on top of the fried rice. So the pork and the chicken, it's really good. Now, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.